Welcome to SKYSITE Help and Training. During this video, we'll discuss how to use the desktop sync app to upload into SKYSITE. SKYSITE is designed so that the SKYSITE website is the single source of truth for project documents. This means that project documents need to be approved through the publishing process on the site. This also ensures all documents have the options to be indexed to have those key tags and information associated to them. That said, you can choose to start the upload process for either folders or documents on your computer utilizing the SKYSITE Desktop Sync tool. Any folders uploaded through the tool will be immediately available. Any documents will need to go through the publishing process before becoming available. Before utilizing any of these options we're going to discuss, you must first build a project shell within SKYSITE. Once created, you will have a project shell that only contains the gallery folder. This folder is automatically created with each project. Next, you will go to the Desktop Sync tool, click on Select Projects, and choose the project you just built. Now you can go into your SKYSITE Sync folder, either by clicking on the View folder or by browsing out to the location. You will see this project with just the Gallery and Latest Documents folders within it. Similar to the Gallery folder, the Latest Documents folder is automatically created during the Desktop Sync process. At this point, you will be able to utilize this project folder to initiate synchronizations from your desktop to the project within the SKYSITE cloud. This generally happens in one of two ways. If you have a standard folder structure that you use for your projects, as we have illustrated here, you might find it easier to build this structure on your desktop rather than through the SKYSITE website. You can either upload it on a project-by-project basis, following the method we are about to cover, or if this is the same folder structure that you always begin your projects with, you can create a template of this structure. In our example, we've created a folder called Project Folder Structure Template and have built our folders and subfolders below it. As you can see, this is the exact same folder structure, just with the root folder named in a way that we can easily find it for our next project. Simply copy the two folders below the root folder and paste them into the project folder in the sync directory. Now, if you look at the project within my SKYSITE sync folder, you will see the entire folder structure is created. Because the synchronization between the Desktop Sync tool and the SKYSITE cloud is continuous and automatic, if you immediately go online to view this project within the SKYSITE website, you can see that the entire folder structure has been populated. This sync from the Desktop Sync tool also works with documents. The process begins in a similar manner. If you have a folder containing documents, you can copy the folder and place it within the appropriate folder or subfolder within the project. If you have documents that you want to add to an existing folder within the project, copy the documents and paste them into the appropriate project folder. Again, since the synchronization between the Desktop Sync tool and the SKYSITE cloud is continuous and automatic, folders and documents, or just the documents, will begin uploading into the project on the SKYSITE cloud. If you created a folder, that folder will be immediately shown within the project in the SKYSITE cloud. Documents, however, will take longer to upload. The time this will take will be depending on the number of files. It will not take longer to upload through the Desktop Sync tool than it would to have been uploading directly into the SKYSITE cloud. Within the SKYSITE cloud, you will see an alert at the folder level that there are documents that aren't published. If you open the folder itself, you will see that the documents are listed but not available. Click on the More icon and select Publish. You will now be brought into the Standard Indexing Selection window, where you can select the indexing option you want and continue as you normally would.